Hello everyone, welcome to GV Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe it to enable notification for more interesting videos. If you are first time watching, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Okay, fine. Now, today's class we are seeing how to install the Jenkins, how to set up the Maven job, and how to execute our test cases from the Jenkins, and how to view the reports. Okay, in previous class we have seen how to set up how to commit Git project into the GitHub. If you haven't watched it, please before watching this, please go and watch it. GitHub, how to commit, and then we have pushed our code into GitHub from the local. Now we will see in the Jenkins how to integrate Jenkins to GitHub and how to execute. Okay. Now first step is what is the use of Jenkins? We can run in our local machines also. Then what is the purpose of it? So in real-time systems, how it will work means we will commit our code to GitHub. So from the GitHub, everyone will take code. But managers, they want to run it. How they will run? They don't know code about it. Some leads, they want to run it. Or they want every nightly build. That means every day, sometime. Automatically, they want to trigger and they want to get the report and they want to verify it. These things we cannot do with the local system. We just do in our, we can only see whoever executed in local system, they only see. But they want to automatically execute every day schedules. That is called as scheduling. We can schedule our job. It will execute automatically. It will trigger test cases. It will execute and it will send the report to the team. So to achieve it, we have to use the CI/CD tools. One of the tool is Jenkins. Right. We can use GitHub Actions or GitLab and Bamboo. There are multiple things, but a popular one is GitHub Jenkins. Now, in real time, Jenkins already installed. Admin people, they will take care of it. They will install the Jenkins in the Doc or Azure missions. At cloud tools, they will use the some cloud. Then they will install there, and we can access by using the URL. Right, but it's better to know how to set up Jenkins and how to create the jobs, how to execute it. Right, so that we will get some idea. In the every interview, they will ask, do you have idea how you will execute, what you will configure actually, how you will see the reports, how to send the report to the team. Those questions will ask. So we'll start quickly. Jenkins installation. We'll see step by step everything. First step is we have to download the var file. There is a .var file. To run the Jenkins, we have to download a var file. So how to download it? We can go to Google. Just we can open the jenkins.io.download. Jenkins.io. Otherwise, we can go to Google, type it Jenkins download. We can get it. So always download stable versions only. Sorry. Right. Always download stable versions. Okay. Just click on this. Just click on it. If you click on it, it will start automatically download. Just I'm canceling. I have already downloaded. Just click on it. Just wait for it. Wait for it. It will download. Okay. Once we download, copy it to somewhere. Just I have copied here. I have created some folder and created here. Copied here. Jenkins.where. Then open the command prompt here. Open the command prompt here. Then how to start it? All right. Next step is once we have installed, then next step is by using the command java-jar jenkins.where. We have to give the file name. Command is java-jar file name. Right, by using that command, we can start the Jenkins. Okay, first we need to change where our Jenkins where file is. In this path, we have Jenkins where file. Then java-jar Jenkins dot where file. Press enter. Press enter. Next step is what? I have already installed previously. I have did some setup. So some of the screens it will not show. Those screens I will show in that my document. Next step is what it will show if you are installing first time. Next step is it will pop up screen like this. It will pop up a screen like this. So open browser and visit HTTP localhost 8080. Or if it is automatically opened, suppose if it is automatically opened, that's fine. If it is not, just open the HTTP localhost 8080. This screen will come. Then here one path is showing. See users, your name it will show .jenkins secret. This is the file. Here we need to open that file. It will have some password. Copy that, paste it from this location. Open this location, we will get the file. Open that file, copy that password, paste it here, and continue. Click on continue. Next step, it will ask for plugin installations. So you can select the install suggested plugins. It will take some time. Next step, it will come. It will show what are the plugins it is installing. It will take some 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes. Just wait for it until it will download all. Next step, it will ask for the create a username password. Next step, it will ask for the create a username password. You enter the username password, confirm it password, and then you can give some full name. Those are all optional. You can give it and save and continue. Right, give the short names. Remember, easily remember names. Admin. You can give some easily remember. Otherwise, right after 1 month, 2 months, you will forget it. It's again we have to do setup again. So just give the admin. That is the default everyone we can remember. So next step, it will show the Jenkins URL. http://localhost. Don't change it. Suppose 8080 port is running another software. Maybe by default Oracle software will run on 8080. If we have Oracle software, we can change it to this port instead of 8080. We can give 2020, 3030, 4040. Yeah, any 4-digit port we can give it. But default, give it. Don't change this. Then click save and finish. It will start the Jenkins. Right. Enter the URL http://localhost/8080. Right. It will come http://localhost:8080. It will open like this. So let me, I have already started, right? It will come. Jenkins is fully up and running. Jenkins is fully up and running. Once this message came, means Jenkins is started. And now open the browser. Just enter the http://localhost8080. It will open like this. And here we have to give the whatever username we have set up. Initially, same username, admin, I have given. So enter username password, click on sign in button. Then it will launch the initial screen. Okay, initial screen, it will launch like this. Then next step is we have to install the plugins and some tool configuration. Plugins configuration, tools configuration. What are the plugins we have to install? Maven plugin, reportable. Those are the main things. There are multiple in real time. There are a lot of things that will take care by admin people. If you require, you can raise the request. They will install it. For now, we require Maven and a report plugin. Okay, go to settings. In older versions, in the left side, it will show manage plugins like new item, build history. Like this, it will show manage plugins menu. But new, right? If you have downloaded new one, Jenkins, here it is showing a gear icon on top, settings icon. You can click on it. This is the manage Jenkins. So here what we can do, first thing, click on the plugins. Click on the first step is we have to do, click on the plugins. Go to available plugins. Go to available plugins. You can search for I already installed, so it will not show. One is the Maven. One is the Maven. So it will come under update. Already, if it is installed, installed plugins. Go to installed plugins. If it is first time, available plugins. Click on the available plugins. Then type the Maven. So I'm just showing I have already installed. So this plugin we have to install. Maven integration plugin. Click on the available plugins. Type Maven. It will show this. Click on that. Checkbox will come. See like this checkbox will come and click on install. Click on install, wait for some time, it will install automatically. One is that, and then one more is the HTML publisher. So I already installed. So let me show you in the installed plugins, HTML publisher plugin. This plugin will come in the available plugins. You can install. Those two are enough for now. Once plugins are installed, Maven and the HTML publisher, for now those two are fine. Then go to tools, go to click on the tools. Right, click on the settings, manage plugins, this settings, then go to, right, click on the manage Jenkins on top, then tools, then come here, JDK, right, we have to install, see, click on JDK, click on add JDK, it will ask for the name, just we can give any name, JDK 21 I have given, local path. We are installing wherever you are installing in Linux box, you have to give the path of the where the JDK is available. In my system, JDK is installed here, so I am giving this. One is JDK. Next one is Git. In the previous class, I already told how to install the Git. Once Git is installed, we can give some name here, Git. Okay. Git, and then where it is installed, git.exe file. See program files, git, cmd here. My git.exe is there. We have to give path until here. Then one more is Maven. We have to give the Maven. You can download the Maven zip folder. How to download? Just go to Google and then Maven download for Windows. Download Apache Maven. Then we can click on this binary zip. Just extract it. Extract to some location I have here and just provide the root folder. That's it. Until the root folder. See, I have my zip folder here. Not zip. Don't give the zip. We have to give the folder. Right, let me open it. This is the map. Right, testing. I have a map. This is the zip. I have extracted root folder. We have to click on apply, click on save. And we have to give the plugins, Maven and HTML report plugin tools. We have to configure the what are the tools, JDK, Maven, Git. Those three things. Right here, in the older version, it will show manage Jenkins like this. In the left side menu. Now new versions on the top, it is showing manage. Right, we have installed the plugins, Maven plugin, HTML plugin, and then tools. Click on the tools and then give the Maven path and Git path and then those things. Then next thing is Maven project create. Right, it will support Jenkins will support different types of jobs. We can click on the new. Click on top new. We will come to home page. Click on the new. Then we can give here, see, freestyle project is there, Maven project is there, pipeline project is there, multi-configuration, multi-branch. There are different things we can, but we mostly in real time, few of the people will use Maven, few of the people will use pipeline. And we'll go with the Maven project. Click on this Maven project. We have to give the name of the project. I will give you a, okay, rest assured API. API job, something, API. Okay, then click on Maven project, click on OK. Give the name, click on the Maven project, click on OK. Okay, it will start configuration. It will open the configuration page. We have to do the some configuration. We can click on discard old builds. Right, suppose you are keep on running, it will generate old bills 100, 200, 300. Our system will occupy more time. how many builds you want. Suppose I want to make only 10 builds, latest 10 builds. How many builds you want to keep? Days to keep. This is days to how many days you want to keep? 10 days I want. How many builds you want to keep? Only 10. Suppose you have ran 100 times. I want latest 10 builds only. After 10 days, it will remove all. Right? It will remove old bills. It will keep only 10 bills. So if you don't want to just uncheck it, you want to keep all those things. Right. The next thing is we want to get the source code from the Git. Source code from the Git repository. If you don't want, we can execute directly from our local system also. But here we will see from the Git repository. Now we have created yesterday's class. I already told how to. We have created a GitHub repository. I have shown how to create the GitHub account, how to create the repository, how to push the code. If you have to watch it, please go and watch it. If you already know, just fine. Okay, I am going to REST Assured API. This is the project. Now, how to get the repository? Click on the repository. We will get the code here. Right? Click on the code. Expand it. We'll get the. This is the HTTPS. Click on the HTTPS and then copy the URL. That URL we have to give here. At that URL we have to. Next, we have to give the credentials. First time you are creating. First time, just click on it. Click on Jenkins. You can give the credentials, username, password, username of the Git, username of the Git, and then password. And just we can select those username and password. Right, we can select those things. Next thing is once this is done, next okay, add repository. Oh, sorry, not repository, only one. Okay, already we have added repository. Then we have to give the branch. What is the branch name here? Which branch you want? There are, if you have a multiple branch, which branch you want to choose, you can select it. Currently, I want main branch only. So we can have a main branch only. Main branch. Then, okay, this is fine. Delete workspace before share. Every time take the latest workspace. Otherwise, what it will happen, it will take the old code only. Just delete the old code and get the repository. It will get the fresh code and execute it. Right? Check this. Delete workspace before build starts. Then next step is here. Next step is here. What is the command we have to run our code? Right. We have to run our code. I have created Maven project, right? Right here, Maven project. How to run it? This REST issued project. We can run. If you want to run from the right. One more thing we have to do. If you want to run from Jenkins or Maven, right? If you want to run from Jenkins or Maven, we have to add the plugins. Previously, we have only compiler plugin. I have added Maven Surefire plugin. Very, very important. In interview also, they will ask what are the steps we have to do to run from the Jenkins. First step is we have to add the Maven Surefire plugin. Without this plugin, we cannot run Maven Surefire plugin. And then where our shoot files are SRC test resources, here dynamic parameter, which shoot file I want to run. We have to send dynamically this parameter. Right, this parameter we have to send dynamically. Right, this parameter. Right, these things we have to Maven Surefire plugin, we have to add it. Okay, fine. Then here goals, what are the goals? Clean, install. I have to give environment. One is environment, right? We have to which environment. Previously, if you watch my videos, you will know that we have created a framework such a way that it will support environments because we are keeping see dev environment, which environment we want to run. So I want to run on QA environment. And what is the suite file name? Right. Currently we have integrated. What is the name here? We have given same name. take it here, suit -d suit, and then dollar. We will get this dynamically. This suit file we will get dynamic. I will show you how to get it. This environment and the suit file will get dynamically. Okay, and somewhere we have this build is parameterized. There is a see this one. This project is parameterized. Click on it. Right, click on it, and then add parameter, choice parameter. Click on choice. What is the name? env. What is the name we have given in the Maven command? Same name we have to give it here. $env. Right? Dollar suit. Same name we have to provide here. Whatever name we have given, same name. env. What is the environments? QA, dev, or UAT, or prod. Whatever environments we have, we can give those environment variables. Again, next parameter, I want one more choice parameter. Okay, one more choice. Choice means multiple. It will show you like a drop down. If you want string parameter, you can create only string parameter. Next one is suit. What are my suit names? Just we have to give our suit names. What are the suits? User Excel, user JSON. Right. What is the choices? User underscore Excel. No need to give XML because in Surefire plugin we have already provided .xml. Don't give again .xml. Just give the name of the suit. That's it. User underscore dot JSON. Not under user underscore JSON. What is the file? Just a file name. If we have a subfolder, sometimes under source, we will have a subfolders. Suppose we can give admin slash subfolder. If we have like this, we have to provide. Right. Currently, we don't have any subfolders. Directly name of the XML. Okay. Then if we have different parameters, suppose you have a Boolean parameter, string parameter, we can create it. Currently, I have created choice parameter. Okay, next thing what post build steps. If we have a post build steps, we add post build action, publish HTML report. Right, once it is ran, it will generate a report. Where it will generate report in the actually we have created a reports folder. Under reports folder, it will generate a extent report like this. Now how to view? Click on the add button. What is the root directory? Reports folder. Reports folder. Under this, we have to give extent report underscore. And just we can give extent report. This is the static extent report star. We can give this date is dynamically coming. So star extent report dot star. This is the root folder reports and then extent report star dot html. Publishing option keep HTML past HTML so that it will always link to the latest job. I will show you that. Okay, if you don't give what will happen, it will not show. Suppose you want to see world build report, you cannot see. If we keep this one checkbox enable, we can see world build reports also. Click on apply, click on save. Okay, once this is done, now build with parameters, right? Click on the build with parameters. See, now it is showing environment and so. We can select, I want to run on suppose the dev environment, we can click which environment. I want to run on QA, I want to run which suit. We can create smoke suit, regression suit, like the sanity suit, all this. If you want to edit the configuration, click on the configuration button. It will open again configuration. Then we can update it. We can update it. Right. Click on the build with parameters, select the which environment, which suit file, just click on the build. It will start the job here. See, it is started. You can click on it. You can click on it and you can see what is happening here. Right. It is getting the code from the GitHub repository freshly. And then it is logging to the, see, it is trying to log in with the latest code. What is the latest code merge here? Right. Commit. It is showing latest commit from the GitHub repository. Now it is started the channel. Okay, now it is started building our code. What is the code? See, clean install. See, it is replaced the dynamic parameters. QA. What is the suit file? It is started. So it is compiling. First, it will do the compilation of the code. We have given clean install, right? It will compile the code. Then it will run the test cases. Okay, those are the steps, all steps of Maven project we have given, right? Then we have to configure the GitHub repository, then which branch. Then we have to give the root file form.xml, and then what is the command we have to give. Then build now. If we don't have parameter, it will come build now. If we have parameters, build with the parameters, it will show like this. Right. If you run multiple times, it will show 1, 2, 3 like that. Then if you want to modify again, configure. Click on configure and we can change it. If you want to add parameters, we click on the checkbox. This project is parameterized. We can click on the add parameter. We can add different types of parameter, whatever choice parameters we have added. If you want setting parameter Boolean, we can add it. Now click on build with the parameter. Once you added parameters, now it will come show as a build with parameters. Now click on the build. It will show like this. We can open the console. Right. Then how to configure the HTML report? I already told you. Right. On the post build steps, add post build action, publish report. We can give the root folder and then a report star.html. And then what is the type? It will show like this after. We'll see. Right. Once build is done. Now see here it is showing HTML report. You can click on HTML report. See, it is not showing properly. It is not showing properly. Why? Because it is not rendering HTML properly. So what we have to do? We can go to manage Jenkins, Jenkins script console. See, come down, script console. We have to execute one line of code. Okay, this piece of code. Okay, I will add this in the comment section. You can copy from there. System.set property. This property, if we execute, what will happen? It will render the HTML properly. Click on run. Okay, once you click on the run, right? Then again we need to run it. The old one it will not show. Again we have to run it again. If you want to just go to what is our project. Rest issued a page of build with parameters. Select click on build. It will start the second. If it is pass, it will show green color. If test cases are failed, it will show unstable because some other test cases are failing. So it is showing a unstable. If it is everything is passed, it will show in a green color. Right. If you want to see the console, you can click on the job, current job, and then console output. Click on the console output, it will show what is going on. If we add loggers, that is the advantage of loggers. If we add the loggers, it will show now what is the every step it will show what is going on while executing the test case. Because if we are running Selenium test cases also, if you are running from the Jenkins, you cannot see UI. It will run in a real-time source labs or some other right, platforms. Usually our test cases are grid mission, it will run. We cannot see that UI. So that's why in that case, loggers are very, very helpful. What is going on? See, it is executing a test case, create user. Okay. It is what is the request, what is the response. We can see everything. What is the failure? If any failures are there, we can see the logs and analyze why it is failed. That is the important of loggers. Here, 4 test cases are run, 2 are failed. Right, and now stable, unstable. Because test cases are failed, it is showing unstable. Then click on this HTML report. See, now it is showing properly. Now it is showing properly. We can see what is. Right. If you want to see old project, we have enabled one checkbox in the HTML publisher plugin. So if we click on old one, suppose, right, here it will show HTML. If you don't enable that, it will not show. It will show only latest report. So that is the advantage of if we enable the past HTML, then it will show for every build, it will show the report. This is how we can integrate Jenkins with Jenkins with Git and how to run our test cases. So if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply to it. If you like the video, just click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you don't subscribe, enable notifications so that you will get my latest videos whenever posted immediately. You will get notifications in your input box, right, so that you can easily find out what is going on every day. All right. If you feel free to share to your friends. Yeah. Thanks for watching.